Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file P9 KRA returns. First, ensure you have your P9 form ready, which summarizes your employment income and deductions. Next, log into the KRA tax portal using your KRA PIN and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Returns menu and select File Return to start the process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and accurate submission. Now, let's prepare your data. Carefully review the details on your P9 form, cross-referencing it with your payslips to confirm accuracy. Make sure your personal information, like your KRA PIN and name, is correct on the iTax portal. If you have other income sources or allowable expenses not reflected on your P9, ensure you have those figures ready to input. Accuracy here prevents future issues. With your data prepared, it's time to submit. On the iTax portal, select the appropriate income tax return form, usually the individual income tax return. Enter the figures from your P9 form into the corresponding sections. Be meticulous when filling in each field. Before clicking Submit, thoroughly review your entire return for any discrepancies or errors. A final check ensures everything is correct. After successfully submitting your return, download and save the acknowledgement receipt for your records. This is proof of your submission. If you have any tax due, make sure to pay it promptly to avoid penalties and interest. Remember, timely filing and payment are crucial for compliance. Also, for more great financial insights, check out the link in the description for The Simple Path to Wealth and other deals. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.